In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Bluehost coupon code discount that will give you a Bluehost discount, saving you money on your Bluehost hosting purchase. Plus, you'll get a free domain. Let's start the Bluehost offer tutorial. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Bluehost discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Bluehost web hosting plans page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the Bluehost plans page. You'll see 4 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Choice Plus, Online Store, and Pro plan. You'll see the Bluehost hosting terms you can choose from are 12 and 36 months. You'll get the $295 pricing with the 12-month term. The Basic plan is a great plan if you're going to have just one site. This plan comes with one website, 10 GB of SSD storage, chat support, and additional features such as a free domain for the first year, professional email, free trial, managed WordPress, and free SSL for the first year. The Choice Plus plan allows 3 websites, 40 GB of SSD storage, chat and phone support, and additional features like a free SSL, daily website backups free for the first year, domain privacy free for the first year, malware scanning, and everything the Basic plan comes with. The Online Store plan comes with 3 websites, 40 GB of SSD storage, chat and phone support, sell products online, additional features for selling for your e-commerce site such as an exclusive store theme, store analytics, unlimited products, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift cards, wish list, and customer account creation, plus everything the Choice Plus plan comes with. Something I want to note is you can have an e-commerce site with the Basic, Choice Plus, or Pro plan as well. You just won't get the extra e-commerce features the Bluehost Online Store plan provides. The Pro plan comes with 5 websites, 100 GB of SSD storage, chat and phone support, optimized for high traffic, and additional features that are included with the Choice Plus plan. I'm going to choose the Basic plan for this tutorial. Once you decide on a plan to choose, click the Select button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Create My Domain Later link, and you can choose your free domain name at a later date. Click Next to proceed to the next step. You'll now be on the Create Your Account page. You now want to input your account information, select any Bluehost package extras you want, and complete your payment. Enjoy your Bluehost coupon code discount so you can save money on your Bluehost hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.